everyone.
Hello everyone.
So today it is another birthday. We have only just finished Dante's birthday and we're already back for another one. Whose birthday is it today?
Jayden.
Jayden's. And how old is Jayden today?
13.
13. So Jayden is officially a teenager today. So we have been working hard all evening to get this ready for Jayden, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yes, so I think we better call him in and see if he likes his presents. Hey, come in, Jayden. Happy birthday, Jayden. Okay, let's see what your first present is.
I got a skull t-shirt and I think some jeans. Look, I'll open it and I see it's got a skull on it.
It changes colour. What colour does it change to?
What changes to gold?
Hold it up, let's see. What are you going to open next?
This one.
Okay.
I got how to change Dragon 3.
What is it going to be next?
I'm gonna open this one. I got PS4 mug.
Let's see. So this is the colour changing mug. Okay, let's see what this one is. Recognise what these are?
Knots and Crosses by
Knots and
Mallory
Crosses.
Blackman.
Okay, let's see what he's gonna choose next. Gonna be...
I got some more books.
This one is Divergent.
Divergent.
Yay.
Gonna open this one next.
Here it is. This one is called... Turn it round. The Gone series.
What do you guys do?
What have you chosen next? Gone for the silver one. I think you like this one.
I got some Bear Grylls books.
So if you look at this one here, on the inside, it is a signed copy from Bear Grylls.
Where?
Open the front of the book. Which one is it? Maybe turn the page. Yes.
Wait, did he sign it himself?
Yeah. An actual signed copy by Bear Grylls himself. Okay.
Let's open this one
Let's
next.
see. Yes. What is it?
I got some more
Look
t-shirts.
at them. We've got a Nike t-shirt. They all 3 Nike t-shirts.
Yeah.
And one more. You like them?
Yeah. I'll open this one. I got a bunch of ping pong balls.
Turn it around. In Nike bag.
There was some table tennis set and a table tennis set. Good piece for Nick. Look.
Dad got tea.
Got some jeans and a hype jacket.
If we can see this wrapping paper on here. It's like 3D, isn't it? Yeah, you can see.
I got Ant-Man and Ant-Man and the Wasp.
I'm getting down.
Got the Lego movie.
Got the new Lego movie number 2.
I got Goosebumps number 2. Got a new football.
That's a good present.
Yeah, I got a new Nike pouch thingy.
This is what you've been asking for ages. And it is
Hype watch.
A hype watch. See what this is.
Wow!
Fortnite Monopoly.
I was thinking about that game the other day.
Stinker!
See what this is. It looks like it's maybe
Nike.
some Nike football boots. Yes, let's have a look.
Get the pump in it.
They look like it's
Very
down
nice.
there.
So we've got Dante in to help with this one. Let's see what this one is. Dante, you gonna help? Go. Let's turn it around and see. So it's 2 X-Shot guns with the X-Shot cans and bullets. See what this is. Loads more
Wow.
bullets. Let's see what's inside.
Left target.
We've got a Nerf target to go with all of these things. Final present. So this is all because they asked me where was the gold on Dante's birthday. Where's the other one? So here you go. Now you have 2 football goals. Okay, Jayden, so we've got to the end of the day now. What are your top 3 presents of today?
These ones.
Best present out of all of them.
This one.
So, How to Train Your Dragon 3 DVD. Out of all those big presents, this was the favourite.
Yeah.
Okay, so what was the runner-up? What was the second best present?
The Nike football boots.
The Nike football boots. Okay, okay. Not bad. What is the third and final one of your best presents?
The X-Shot.
The X-Shot. Time to go now, I'm afraid. So we'll see you in our next video. Happy birthday, Jayden.
Bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Give it a big thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. See you next time, everyone. Bye!